Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, we are from the group 5 and my name is Amelia Rosa and I'm as a moderator and my friends are Indah Yawanda and Nurul Wahida Renjani. Alright, in this video we would like to present about dasar-dasar editing. For the first slides is about definition of editing. Editing is the process of selecting, cutting, and merging image to produce a film, program, or show. And there are two editing techniques. First is linear editing. Editing technique by arranging images one by one sequentially from beginning to end. If an error occurs in compiling the image, the editing process must be repeated. This technique uses the A or B rule equipment. And the second is non-linear editing technique by arranging image randomly. This technique does not require the editing process to run from the earliest image to the end. And then the basic techniques of editing. First is cut. The movement between one image and another is sudden or without interruptions. Therefore, it is necessary to pay attention to the composition and continuity of the image to be combined or linked. Cut is intended to provide an explanation and development of an event. Explanations means showing the audience an event that is as clear as possible. Alright, next slides will be presented by Indah Yuanda.
Okay, next, cut function is to show. Number 1, continuity of action if a camera is not able to follow an action due to obstacle from other object. For example, we cut the shot and replace it with another shot that continue the shoot. Number 2, detail of object, for example, from long shot to medium close-up. Number 3, change of place and time, cut from indoor, interior to outdoor, exterior, for example, showing inside the house then to the street. And the last, the cut function is increase of decrease in incidence. Cut to close-up show an increase, while cut to long shoot show a decrease. Okay, next, the type of cut. Number 1, jump cut. A short change where the time continuity is interrupted because the jump from another shoot is different in time. Number 2, cut in. An insert that is inserted in the main shoot with the intention of releasing the detail of the main shoot. Number 3, cutaway, intercut, reaction cut. Short action that show or describe a reaction to the main shoot or other shoot that can be included as an interlude. Okay, the continue. The basic technique of editing. Number 2, dissolve. Substitution between one image with another image slowly without blanks. This technique is used to smooth the image transfer technique, according to which the character and needs of a program that is produced. Use of this dissolve more flexible than the cut. In general, dissolve is used to bridge the connection of the shoot action, change place and time, and show the close relationship between two shots. For example, changing from long shot to close-up, a dancer will appear flexible by use dissolves.
Alright, and the next slides will be presented by Nurul Wahida Rinjani.
Okay, next slide, number 3, fade. Alternating between one image with another image by going through a blank. Fade is divided into two types, namely fade in and fade out. Fade in is a shot or a visual that starts from a dark stage, then slowly emerge an image or visual up to normal. While fade out is from a bright image or normal, gradually slowly darkens. Usually this fade is used in pairs. The fade in is followed with a fade out, but this is not a fixed price rule. One sequence, several sequences, or a complete film can be summarized by a fade. Fades can also be used to separate different story units. Sequences separated by fades are similar to chapters in a book or chapters in a play. Okay, next slide, number 4, wipe. Wipe is an image displacement effect where one frame is swept by the next so that it appears to be pushed off the screen and replaced by the next shot. Wipe can be used to start a scene. The wipe pattern can be continuous or split into a number of shapes within the frame, such as number of circles that enlarge and create a new scene. Wipe is a mechanical transition. Wipe is often used in programs that have to do with music, especially video clips or musical films. For tensional story films, this is rarely used. Okay, next slide, number 5, superimpose. What is meant by superimpose is a combination of two or more images in one image frame. The image in the superimpose might be used in editing to link two or more ideas.
Alright, we think that's all about our presentation. We say sorry if there are any mistakes. And the last we say thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.